Kiss me softly, kiss me long, for come tomorrow you will be gone into a world of sea and sky, leaving me lonely with the tide. Dream of a distant, peaceful shore, away from the pounding waves of war, where we can lift our hearts on high and join our hands across the sky, 'neath silver sails like wings in flight that touch the moon and split the night. The westward winds shall guide your path. Star strands on high shall bring you back through the icy teeth of night. My love for you shall be the light, casting a glimmer from afar when you behold the evening star. Shall sound as sighs while we are apart. May sword and shield keep you from harm till you are safe within my arms, over the ocean deep and green. Forever this beacon shall be seen, casting a glimmer from afar when you behold the evening star. Take on this boy